Hey guys, what is up? It's Petey here, and today I'm doing a little pack opening and then I'm gonna start a game. So right now I got Justin Durant, I got a linebacker, 78. See what else I got? Dang it, I got a Corey Limona, I think. 67 is another linebacker. Okay, I got let's see, 67 is high, Antonio Johnson. That's good. I'm kidding on these guys. They got a defensive end. Glenn Foster. Be something. Please let it be something good at least. Come on. Okay. I'll be fine with that, I guess. Okay. I like that 78 Justin Durant. Not that bad. Continue. But I'm gonna buy another one. Just for the laws. I'm gonna buy another one. Alright, this kid get here. Let's do it. I got a Ricky Henry. Woo, okay, I got a linebacker. Not so good though. I got a middle linebacker. Chris Borland. Oh, I got a wide receiver. Brian Robisky, I think. And I got an OT. Greg Robinson. Hmm. Forget it. I have no idea what to do for credit up. Should I update my team, guys? Should I update my team? Well, let me see if I can buy another pack. No, I can. But guys, comment down below if I should update my team with the players that I got. Otherwise, let's get this game started. I'm probably gonna only do the first half, but let's go. We lost the coin toss. The player will receive. CP will receive. So yeah, sorry I didn't post another video yesterday. God, with me not posting videos. I don't know what's going on. My throat is getting a lot better though. I just forgot to post one yesterday. I had some problems. But anyways, beside that, let's just get like a nice little tackle. Oh, this sucks. Ooh, that clothesline though. Man. You got a new one. I wasn't okay with Hazel, but I guess it's time for a change. Plus, Hazel wasn't that good. He was like I think I don't know, 65 maybe? He wasn't that good, that's all I know. Oh, that chop though. My voice is a little bit, still in a work in progress. Still in a work in progress. Yeah, but it's still in a work in progress. But I'll be better. Don't worry, I'll get better. I'll be better. Let's go, Randy Moss. Randy Moss, what are you doing? Catch it. Yeah. Come on. Oh. Well, let's get this started. Let's go counter. Let's do this. Alright, some nice. Whoa. Oh, Ivory running it all the way. Gosh, boom. Dang, running it all the way. Dang, Ivory for the win. Why did I go for a Hail Mary? Forget it. Morgan right there. Boom, the win man. Morgan! No! Morgan! Why would you do that to me? Gosh! Morgan! Oh my god. What the heck is going on? My god.
What?
Recording.
What are you recording?
Oh god, that was a terrible play. Ah, interception. No. Don't worry about that. But anyways, Scotty, if you're watching this, don't hate. I hate it when you do that. Just don't hate, Scott. Don't hate. Like, it's terrible when you hate. It's just terrible. It's like you have no friends. If you hate Scotty, I could just ban and block you. But yep. Please stop hating. Scott, you're my most hater. You're the one who comments actually and actually starts to hate. Don't do that, man. Don't do that. You're a great friend. Cousin too. I don't like these type of people. Oh, and as I say that, interception by Johnson. But will it be? No way. Is it? No. No. It's a pick six by Johnson. Woo! A pick six. Well, look at that, folks. A pick six. If you don't know what a pick six is when if you make an interception and run it all the way for a touchdown. But dang, that pick six. That oh, there's Johnson. There he is. I'm playing as him. I see Glenn. Oh no, that's not Glenn. Oh, Glenn, the guy that was actually running the ball, actually got hurt. Oh, what are they doing? Okay, everybody did down the middle. No. Oh, I had that. My player moved to the side on accident. On accident. My voice is still working. Oh, they're calling a timeout. They are calling a timeout. Okay, come on. Let's go, Franklin. You're missing love, buddy. Ah. Could have had that interception. Okay, I'm going to go cover 3. Ma. No! You could have gotten that either way. You could have gotten that either way. I just don't get it. Alright. Come on. That tackle. That sack. Who is that? That's Foster right there. Oh, they're gonna kick it. Alright. Where are they? Oh, they're back all the way over here. Let's go. Killing time. Well, I love this. Trying to kill some time, huh? No matter. Randy Moss got this. Randy, get the ball. Randy, get the ball. Randy! Go. Oh, Moss. They got there before me? Got them out here. This is it, guys. The final play of the video. Come on. Final play of the video. I'm gonna roll out of the pocket. Curse! No! That was a really close game, guys. Well, that was it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't hate. Like, comment, subscribe for more and new content. And I will see you guys later. Peace out.